Today I'm going to show you how to view itch.io collections in just a couple of quick steps. This is a simple tutorial, but it's really useful if you want to organize your favorite games, browse saved items, or quickly find collections you've already made inside the itch.io app. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the itch.io app on your device. Once the app loads, you'll land on the main interface where you can browse games, explore content, and access your account features. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log in first so your collections are available. Now look over to the left sidebar. This is where itch.io keeps most of the important navigation options, so take a moment to find it if you're not familiar with the layout. In the sidebar, click on Collections. This will open the Collections section and show you the collections linked to your account. From here, you can view your saved collections, browse through the items inside them, and manage what you've organized on itch.io. It's a very straightforward process, and once you know where the Collections button is, it only takes a second to get there. And that's it. You've now learned how to view itch.io collections using the app. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.